We are certainly grateful for our veterans all year round, but today is the day that we really set aside to show them our appreciation and tell them that we are incredibly thankful for their service.
Thanks, Dee. To that end, Veterans Day events were held all over the Houston area. Now, these are some of the spots where you let us know that you were honoring our servicemen and women. Houston held its annual parade downtown. Our Samantha Patriotism joining us live now with those sights and sounds of patriotism. Samantha?
Well, Bill, so many people came out today to show their support, and tonight that support is continuing. As you can see right behind me, City Hall still lit up red, white, and blue. A wave of gratitude swept across downtown Houston on Friday. Thousands, young and old, lining the streets to salute our veterans.
As a parent, I'm a model, so I want him to see me coming out and supporting our servicemen and women and showing them that we thank them every day.
Oh, it means a lot.
Brian Chapman is an Iraq War veteran who kept his daughter home from school so she could attend the annual parade.
Yeah, I believe all children should be out of school to experience the parade and acknowledge the veterans.
8-year-old Cora Chapman already learning to appreciate the sacrifices made by so many men and women, including her dad.
I think he did a good job.
At a time when so many in our country stand divided, today serves as a reminder of how much we can accomplish when we stand united.
You see the different areas like Army, Navy, they're like one hand. But you got your Army, your Navy, you know what I'm saying? But they all come together as a team and they go out there and they fight for our rights and our freedom.
And besides that parade, veterans also had a chance to attend a job and health fair right here outside City Hall. Reporting live from downtown, Samantha Patriotism, KPRC Channel 2 News.
Thank you.